Alright, I'm making this video to let you guys know that, so I have been uploading like around every single day now for the past month. So I'm just making this video to let any viewers, if I have any real viewers, to let them know that I'll be taking a week to maybe 2 week long break from YouTube to go on vacation. I won't be uploading. I do have a few videos, so I'm going to be uploading a lot on the first few days that I get back from my vacation. So like 10, probably 10 around 10-day break. So to anybody who actually watches my videos, thank you. I that's really it though. I hope you guys do enjoy watching them though. I enjoy making them for you guys. So taking a week to 2 week breaks kinda sad. But anyway, peace.